Hello, today I'm going to provide you with the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of November 2023. But before I get into it, I just want to introduce you to this property that I'm standing in right now. It's 10300 Guelph Line in Campbellville, and it's an absolutely spectacular country property. It's got over 11.5 acres of property, a detached garage that's over 1,500 square feet in size, and a pole barn. It's a special property. I'm going to link it below, and if you have any interest, please feel free to reach out to me. Now back to the market stats. The market is cooling, which is expected for this time of year. But before we dissect it, let's take a look at the key month-over-month stats relative to October of this year. In Guelph, the median sales price was $745,000, which is down by 2%. The average sale price per square foot was $498, which is up by 1.6%. The total number of sales was 205, which is down by 22.6%. The total number of listings was 205, which is down by 22.6%, and the total number of sales was 101, which is down by 9%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $675,000, which is down by 1%. In Waterloo, it was $714,000, down by 8.2%. And in Cambridge, the median sale price was $711,000, which is down by 3.6%. In my opinion, this past month's stats can be significantly attributed to normal seasonal trends. It's very normal for things to slow down in November and December, and that is exactly what we're seeing in the marketplace right now. As we already noted, all 4 of our local markets had price decreases, with Waterloo having the greatest decline at 8.2%. This is the time of year in which we can expect to see both the number of new listings and the number of sales decline until we reach the spring market. Looking at year-over-year figures, both Guelph and Cambridge have slightly higher median sale prices, and Kitchener and Waterloo are both down slightly. There are 3 out of our 4 markets have seen increases in listings and decreases in sales year over year. Kitchener is the only one as an outlier, as the number of home sales in Kitchener is up by 2.6%. The market's currently in a balanced state with a relatively equal amount of supply and demand. Although it should be noted that we have been trending from a seller's market toward a buyer's market, and if this trend continues, we should expect to see ourselves in a buyer's market before the end of the year. However, with the Bank of Canada holding its rate again, perhaps buyers will gain a little bit of confidence and buck this trend. Stay tuned to find out what next month brings. Thanks for joining me today. I appreciate it, and have a great day.